The following message is a request of the Weld County Emergency Management Department. As of 8:25 p.m. a severe thunderstorm has resulted in loss of the power of the Weld County 911 Center. Now because of that, the 911 services in the county won't be operational for the rest of the night. Services should resume around tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Until then, in the event of an emergency requiring law enforcement, the Sheriff's Office can be reached at 970-350-9600. And for emergencies requiring the fire department or paramedics, residents should call their local fire department, who will forward any emergencies requiring paramedics to nearby responders.